How to add Google Authenticator on WhatsApp. So first up, you have to understand that WhatsApp doesn't directly integrate Google Authenticator for two-step verification. Instead, WhatsApp uses its own two-step verification system, which requires a 6-digit PIN and an option email address. So here is how you enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp, go to the settings at the top right three-button corner here. Once you do that, go to account. As you can see here, there's a two-step verification. Click that. You will want to turn it on. Create your 6-pin digit code. You can't see it right here because WhatsApp won't allow me to record. But once you click save, you would need to create your email address. As you can see here, click next. And once you do that, click in the code sent to your email address, and your email will also be verified. And that is how you enable two-step verification on WhatsApp.